Let's see how to create a database in My SQL Workbench. In left hand side you can see there are three default databases, Sakila, SS and World. Now we will create a new database over here. Here in SQL editor we will write a command like create space database, and you have to give the name of a database. Suppose we are giving a demo as a database name, then you just give the semicolon. So this is our command to create a database. Create database and name of the database. Now you have to run this command. Now here you can see in the output the database is successfully created. One row is affected. This is how you can create a database. Now here once you refresh this, you can see our newly created database in the left hand side. So this is the one way to create a database. Hope you understood it. Thank you.